Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Roblox. Whenever you launch the game, you get a black screen and you are not able to play the game. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type clean mgr. Click on OK. Now you just need to select the drive where the game is installed. Select it and select OK. Now in here you just need to check mark all of these boxes, and after check marking it you just need to select OK. Select delete files. After finishing this, go ahead and relaunch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the next solution guys. You just need to open up Roblox and you just need to press in keyboard escape key and go to settings. On settings you just need to scroll down. You can able to see the option reduce motion. You just need to turn it on. After doing this, click on resume and you are ready to play guys. This will help you to fix the black screen even in iPhone or iPad and all the devices. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.